If you ever need to make text or images on a web page easier to see, Firefox has a built-in zoom feature that makes it simple to adjust the page size in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the zoom function in Firefox, how to make the page bigger, how to make it smaller, and how to reset it back to normal whenever you want. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three horizontal lines, which is the main menu button. Click those three lines to open the Firefox menu. Once the menu is open, look for the zoom row. This is where Firefox gives you quick controls for changing the size of the page you're viewing. You'll usually see a plus button, a percentage number in the middle, and a minus button. If you want the page to appear bigger, click the plus button. Every time you click it, Firefox increases the zoom level, which makes text, icons, and the page content larger and easier to read. This is especially useful if a website looks too small or if you want a closer view without changing your computer's display settings. If the page feels too large, click the minus button instead. This lowers the zoom level and makes everything on the page smaller again. It's a quick way to get the screen back to a comfortable size if you've zoomed in too much. Now, if you want to return to the default view, click the middle percentage number. This resets the zoom back to normal, so the web page goes to its standard size right away. That's the fastest way to undo your zoom changes without clicking plus or minus multiple times, and that's all there is to it. With just the menu button, the zoom controls, and one reset click, you can easily change the zoom level in Firefox anytime you need it. This is a simple feature, but it can make browsing much more comfortable and much easier to use. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.